Well, good evening, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. Hey, this is going to be about um, privacy coins again. We're going to talk about um, zero knowledge proofs, and smart contracts with the number one privacy coin. And we're going to talk about why that is an influence on something like Mina. So let's get to it. If we just scroll down, we're looking right here at the top 10. You can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, and so forth. There's not a single privacy coin in the top 10. I'm going to say that again. There's not a single privacy coin in the top 10. But that being said, we're going to have a very interesting video here, so stick with me. You're about to learn something that you may not have known. So if we just keep on going, we're going to just keep going until we see the very first privacy coin, and we all know, there it is, Monero. Okay, and it's got a market cap of 5,193,000,000. Let's keep on going and see what's the next one up. So if we keep going, let's see. Do we have another? Do we have another? Can we get another? Can we get? There's Zcash with a $2,385,000,000 market cap. So with that, what I want to do is I want to take you to, let's just take a look at something here. I wanted you to see something I found here about Zcash and Monero have been turned into Ethereum smart contract. Zero knowledge proofs are now just a D app. What does that mean in English? It means this. It means that natively Zcash and Monero do not have smart contracts. I'm going to say it again. They natively do not have smart contracts, but these folks are saying that they've been turned into, they do have the capability because of what I'm going to call a workaround. So if you read through this, it says a team of coders has implemented a smart contract that utilizes zero knowledge proofs to hide who is transacting with who and to hide the amount transacted. The Aztec protocol, you might want to remember that, can enable confidential transactions for any generic digital asset on Ethereum. I'm going to say that again. The Aztec protocol can enable confidential transactions for any generic digital asset on Ethereum. So I guess what you're saying is that, and they do say it, zero knowledge proofs are a cryptographic method whereby you can have the right to something without revealing what that is or how much you have. They basically have manifested a smart contract with, for ERC-20 tokens using this protocol, and you don't have to have it natively part of the coin. So that means that every single ERC-20 token potentially could have a smart contract. That's big. But in my mind, this is a workaround. And they go here and they start talking about Zcash and how it's famously one of the one of the big tokens that has privacy. Their most and that Zcash effectively was able to basically leverage the smart track capability, and then that they were able to transact some stable coin called DAI using this Aztec protocol. So this is a very interesting reading here, because they're basically saying they could do this for any of them that are ERC-20. But that being said, to me, it's a workaround. It's a workaround. So when we come back and say, okay, what does this have to do with Minocoin? Well, Minocoin doesn't need Aztec Protocol because they basically natively have it. It's natively part of their architecture. Okay, so if that's the case, then we have to start thinking, where could Minocoin actually go if it has smart contract capability natively and it affords the same kind of zero knowledge proof capability that Zcash has? So let's go back again and take a look at this. We were looking at Zcash, and Zcash had a $2 billion market cap, and it was sitting at 50. If we go down here now and go down to Minocoin, I think it's way down here. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. There it is. Ranked number 80. Zcash is number 50. Minocoin is 80. And it has a $1 billion market cap. Hello, let's do that again. Let's go back up here to number 50. Okay, number 50. $2 billion market cap, whereas Mitocoin is number 80 and has a $1 billion market cap. Meanwhile, it is now becoming interesting that people are starting to realize that privacy is an issue no matter what coins we talk about, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum. Look, they're going to try to figure out a way to make these transactions private. We can't have people's private transactions, via financial institutions, public for everybody to look at. I don't know why everybody doesn't realize this. So the fact that an Aztec protocol exists could afford all kinds of privacy for a lot of different tokens. But like I said in one of the videos on this channel called The Rise of Zcash, privacy is going to be an issue, and I think the ones that have it natively are going to come back up to the top. So when I see Minocoin down here, I can see it actually coming up here where Zcash is. I can see it doubling in market cap and becoming a $2 billion market cap coin, and doubling in, from its current price today, simply because it has the same kind of capability as Zcash. But the fact that it natively has smart contracts, it could pass it. And when you start talking about it could pass Zcash, well, now we got to start looking at Monero doesn't have it natively either. So when we start going up here to Monero, let's keep going. Where was Monero? Number 29. A $5 million market cap. So when I say that it's possible that Minocoin could be 5 times what I've said before, it could be 8 times what it is in 3 years. The reason I'm saying that is as people start realizing that we need privacy, as people start realizing that Monero and Zcash don't natively have smart contracts, that they have to rely on a third party, I don't know how else to say it, a third party protocol, this Aztec protocol, to afford this kind of capability, because it's not natively part of their infrastructure. Where does that put Mina? It puts Mina in a position where it could jump from 80 to the 29th coin or beyond that. Right now, we don't have a single privacy coin in the top 10. Well, if people don't want workarounds and they want it natively, is it plausible that one day we could be looking at a privacy coin in the top 10 with a $20 billion market cap? That's like saying, hello, Mina, you have privacy capability and smart contract capability. You're sitting up here with a $1 billion market cap. You could one day be 20 times, 20x what you are now. Because right now, there's not a single privacy coin that's above the rank of 29. But as privacy becomes more important, I think the privacy coins are going to move up. And I think the ones that natively have a smart contract, Mina being the one that I'm aware of, could possibly break into the top 10. So if you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you on the next one.